Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of words with our word of the day, balloon. Balloon is a B2 level noun meaning a rubber bag that can be inflated. You often see them at birthday parties and celebrations. We inflate them with air or gas, and they often float. It's a fun word with a playful image, isn't it? Now, let's explore some synonyms for balloon. One is inflatable, which means something capable of being inflated. For example, the child received an inflatable toy for his birthday. Another synonym could be bladder, referring to the inflatable bag inside a football. The football's bladder needs some air. Now, on to antonyms. Something that is the opposite of a balloon might be something deflated or flat. A good antonym would be deflated, like in the deflated ball was no fun to play with. Another antonym could be collapsed, such as in the sentence, the old tent collapsed under the weight of the snow. You might use balloon in everyday life by saying something like, the child was holding a red balloon. We can also use it as a verb, though less common, such as, her expectations ballooned as the wedding drew closer. Or, the price of gas ballooned last month. Here are some more phrases we could use. The child clutched the balloon tightly. He let go of the balloon and watched it fly into the sky. They decorated the venue with colorful balloons. To sum up, balloon is a noun referring to an inflated rubber bag, often filled with air or gas. Think inflatable or bladder, and its antonyms can include deflated or collapsed. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you've enjoyed today's episode, be sure to subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence about balloon and share it as a comment below the video. We'd love to see it.